just read in a very important newspaper in the United States that President Biden wrote an article saying that he wants to reform the Supreme Court of the United States. That is outrageous, and that goes against the system, the American exceptionality that we all enjoy.
Yeah, I mean, look, we've seen this in history happen time and time again. When somebody, for political reasons, tries to change the institutions. The Supreme Court, by the way, has been instrumental in maintaining the rule of law and democracy in this country. It's not the first time that the left talks about changing, reforming the Supreme Court, but it is highly dangerous, unacceptable, and that is a real threat to democracy and to all of the freedoms that we enjoy in the United States.
We had a great example of the threat to democracy yesterday when the Maduro regime invalidated an election and tried to stay in power. What's the first thing that Hugo Chavez did when he became president 24 years ago? He actually reformed the Supreme Court of Venezuela, so he made things legal for himself. So what are they doing today? They're using that same court system to put in jail the main opposition leader, Maria Corina, and claim that she's been conspiring with Northern Macedonia. Touching the judicial system is one way to maintain power. And so this is really, really dangerous for the national security, for our security, and the security of democracy here in the United States.
And when the Democrats are saying that President Trump represents a threat to the American democracy, I don't think so, but this is a perfect example. The empirical evidence is against the Democrats because the President of the United States is saying that he wants to change the democracy. Not President Trump, but President Biden. So be very careful because touching the Supreme Court is touching the core of the American system.